Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am going to talk about my monthly favorites. So this video is going to consist of products that I have loved throughout the month, and I really have been using this product almost every single day. And let's talk about them. So let's get into the video now. Also, if you are someone who's new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. Anyway, if you end up liking the content, you can hit the subscribe button because I post on a regular basis. So let's get into the video now. So my first favorite of the month have to be the Buds and Berries. This is the shampoo and the serum. I have been using both these products continuously and the results are mind-blowing. Buds and Berries, I have tested out some of their products and my experience so far have been really good with the products. And this is fairly a new brand, and I do have to say that their products are really good quality and they are affordable too, and they are toxin-free as well. I have done a full-on dedicated review on both these products, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And if you want to see a detailed review on both of this, I have it up on my channel. So let's first take a look at the shampoo. So this is the Buds and Berries Pistachio and Argan Oil Shampoo, and the main ingredient in this range are pistachio and argan oil. Both of these ingredients actually provides good benefits such as reduces hair breakage, repairs damage and chemically treated hair, and it also gives long-lasting color protection to hair. The texture of this shampoo is extremely rich and creamy, and what I love about this shampoo is that it actually takes off all the buildup from my hair, because I do use a lot of serums, a lot of dandruff lotions. So what it does is that it actually cleanses my scalp so nicely without drying it out. A lot of the times a lot of shampoos can dry out your scalp, and as a result you are left with really frizzy hairs. This one doesn't do that at all, and the scent of this is very soothing and refreshing at the same time. Also, this provides 120 hours of conditioning to your hair that makes your hair much more smoother, much more frizz-free, and just overall it just gives a very natural shine to your hair as well. So after using the shampoo, I use this serum immediately. The combo is really good. So how I like to use the serum is about when my hair is about like 50% dry, I take 2 or 3 pumps of the serum and run it all over my hair. The best thing I like about this is that it's extremely lightweight. Now you can use this serum before styling your hair as well. Like today I used this serum and I went in with a straightener, and it actually just removed all my frizz. Now you can see my hair, it doesn't have any frizz at all. So that is how you can remove frizz if you really have frizzy hairs and you're thinking of going out and styling your hair. So you can use this and then use a straightener directly on your hair, and you are going to see that your hair is going to look so much smoother and frizz-free as well. So this serum is not only used for shiny or smoother hairs, but also you can use this for color protection as well, which is a really good benefit if you have colored hair. So both this combo I would say is really good, affordable as well, and it's for someone who uses a lot of heat on your hair, or you feel like your hair is damaged or you have colored hairs. This combo will be perfect for you. The best part is that these products are dermatologically tested, and not only that, it can be used on any type of hair as well, both men and women. So you can go ahead and check them out on Amazon. I will leave all the links in the description down below. So let's move on to my next favorite. So the next product is something that I really have been loving for quite some time, and you guys know it. This is the Nightcast All Day Matte Foundation. I really do love Nykaa base makeup products. I never have a bad experience with any of their base makeup products, but anyway, when I got this, I was like, I didn't have a lot of expectation, but I totally see the hype of this product. I do think that it is completely worth your money. It says it's for combination to normal to combination skin, but I would say it's really amazing, and even if you have dry skin, you can totally use it. I never thought a matte foundation would suit me this much, but I can wear this during summers, and during winters maybe I'll have to prep my skin a little bit more, and then I still can use this, I think so, because the finish is really good. It's extremely long lasting as well. Like at the end of the day, when I come home after going out, I don't see a lot of fine lines or my foundation just looking patchy, because throughout the day in summers it tends to happen that way. But I really like it because it's extremely long lasting. It looks like skin. It's matte as well. It's not like too matte. It gives you a very nice soft matte effect, which I personally really love. So yeah, overall I really do like this formula a lot, and I do see myself using this in the hot humid summer days as well. So the next product I have here is this Swiss Beauty Pop eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is something that I just recently got and I just cannot stop using it. Today I use the pink one and these are available on Amazon. I just feel like for the price, these are honestly one of the best. Now you can get this around like 149 rupees, almost 150 rupees for one piece, and oh my god, this is really so vibrant. If you just want to make your look really like literally vibrant in 2 seconds, I feel like this is the perfect one to go for. And especially for summers, I know that a lot of people want to incorporate colorful looks, and I just feel like you cannot go wrong when it comes to these eyeliners. Although I do have to say, I do not like the brush tip of it. The brush is a very stiff, which makes it a little bit more difficult to use. So I cannot complain again because it's like only 150 rupees. So you can go ahead and use your own eyeliner brush if you want to. But I just feel like the quality, the formulation of this is really good. I love the shade, the purple shade, and the pink shade is my favorite, obviously. But yeah, I really do like both of these liners, and I do feel like the quality is amazing, and I can just sit here and talk about these liners and go on and on about it. But yeah, I did really talk about them a lot, and I do see myself using more colors. Actually, I need to get more colors in this line, but I just think that Swiss Beauty did do a good job with the formulation of these liners because they are really good. So a lot of people ask me that are these waterproof? I do have to say that they are, but they are not smudge free. So if you put water, just like normal water, put it on your face, it's going to stay. But if you use your fingers and try to smudge this liner with your fingers, then it's going to go away. So yeah, that's all I had to talk about this liner. Absolutely love it, and I'm going to use this all throughout the summer. So the next product is something that is not easily available here in India, but I had to talk about this, you guys. I had to. And I will leave some really good resellers, Instagram resellers, where you can get this product actually. So this is a Soul Body. It's a brand, related to Colourpop. Like, I think it's like a Colourpop sister brand. And this is the bronzer that they have. And oh my god, I am in love with this bronzer. First of all, look at the size. I know that this can be a little bit expensive when you import it in here in India, but for the quantity that you get and the quality, I just think that it's worth spending that money on. And I just feel like the quality again is so good. It's very different from any other cream bronzers that I have used in the past. Now this can be used in your body, like on your body as well, not only on your face. So this is the bronzer that I have on, and I just feel like it gives you the most natural bronze to your face, especially if you are someone who is dusky skin and you really want to try out some good not affordable, I would say, but really good quality cream bronzers, then I do think you might want to check this one out because it's quite buildable. Like, if you pile this up and pile this up and pile this up, it still never looks patchy. And the best thing about this is that it comes in a variety of shades, so even if you have dusky skin, you can get it. I know it's a little bit hard to get something like this here in India, but again, I will leave some resellers down below from Instagram who are extremely like 100% trustworthy. I do shop from, personally shop from those Instagram resellers. And yeah, it takes like about 1 month to ship products like this here in India. But I think it's worth the wait, it's worth the hassle, because once you get it, you cannot stop using it, especially for summers. I mean, this shade, the formula, it's like 10 on 10. So next, let's come to a body product, a body sunscreen that I have been loving. I have been wearing this almost every single day. Like, I cannot put this down. So this is the Good Vibes Nourishing Sunscreen Lotion. Now this contains SPF 50 in it, and I love this so much. It's extremely nourishing on your skin. First of all, it contains SPF, which is really good because I tend to wear a lot of short dresses during the summer, and it's important for me to wear sunscreen in those areas as well, which is exposed to the sun. And the third thing is it smells like coconut. So really such a good product to get, especially for this summer season. I just feel like you need to have a lotion, you need to have a sunscreen lotion that you can apply, and that is actually going to be nourishing at the same time, and not just, has SPF in it, but actually is good quality. So I feel like the Good Vibes one is one of the best, and it's affordable as well. It's like only $4.99, and on Purple you do get discounts all the time. So I just feel like this is one of the best, and I absolutely love this one so much. Have been wearing it every single day. So the next product we have here is actually this Maybelline Ulti Matte Lipstick. Now this is in the shade More Taupe. Now this is the lipstick that I have on, and oh my god, this lipstick is, first of all, the formulation is creamy, yet it's matte. It's never settles on my lines. I do have dry lips. Even in summers, I have dry lips. So it never actually settles in the fine lines that I have. The best part about this is the shade. The shade is a beautiful, and if you have dusky skin, you are going to love this shade. I'm telling you, this is going to be your new favorite nude lipstick. I feel like this nude is something that would suit a lot of fair skin tone. It's going to suit medium skin, and it's going to suit dusky skin as well. Obviously, if you have dusky skin, you need to use a lip liner, I think so. But still then, the shade is beautiful. It's not a shade that's easily dupeable, I would say. Like, it's not something that I can find dupes of easily in my collection. So that is why I feel like it is worth spending your money on. And the formula is good, the shade is good. I mean, what else can I say, right? This is the lipstick that I have been wearing, and yeah, it just goes with any eye look as well. Like today I did a pink eye, I can pair this with a black smoky eye, I can pair this with a brown eye, I can pair this with any of the colorful eyes, and it still looks good. So yeah, really absolutely in love with this. So the last product I have here is something that you guys already know, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. So this is the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Setting Spray, and this only is rupees 350. Now as you can see, I definitely have used a little bit of it. This is all I have been using. This is all I have been using every single time I do my makeup. I'm like going in with this spray and this spray only. I love the scent of it. Yes, it does have a little bit of a coconut vanilla scent, again, very sweet. I love that it sets my makeup, makes my makeup, revives actually my makeup, and also just makes my skin look healthy. It takes away the powderiness of any foundation, any powder that I might use on my skin. For example, right now I do have a little bit of a shine right here. If I set this with some powder like this, directly goes matte, and sometimes it tends to look a little bit more powdery, especially during summer, since I will be using powders, and I do use powders in this area right here. So this actually just takes away that cakiness from my face, and that is the main issue with makeup. I don't want it to look powdery, or I don't want it to sit on top of my skin. So this actually just makes your makeup 10 times better. So that is why I like it, and especially for the price, you cannot miss out on this one, guys. So I really am loving all these products. Yeah, so that was it for today's video. Check out all these products, and the links will be in the description down below, and I will leave all the reseller names as well that I personally have shopped from before in the past. So yeah, I will leave all the links down in the description box. And yeah, I love you guys a lot. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.